Microsoft sure knows how to mess your machine up sometimes. Well, this update, KB5034765, is known to have some major problems. For me, it kept trying to install this update multiple days, and every time I would install it, it seemed to be looking good, and then the machine would reboot, and boom, there'd be a failure. The solution is go to your C drive right here, and the first thing you want to do inside of Explorer is click on View and click Show and click on Hidden Items in case you do not have that on. Then you'll notice the third folder down in my case here is the $WinRE agent. That folder, the information online suggests that you delete it. And in my case, I didn't want to delete it. I just went ahead and, to be safe, decided to take a look at it and then went ahead and decided to rename it. So I think I popped in the word old in the beginning of it. And by doing that, you're obviously breaking the operating system from understanding where it is. As we find out that this works, you can go in later ahead and delete the actual folder if you'd like to. So after we go ahead and rename it here, the next step is to essentially attempt the install again. So we're going to go ahead and click the, in this case, I guess, restart now, which will continue installing it. You'll see a window like this pop up after the machine turns off, and then you're going to see with Microsoft timing, and there's going to be a percentage run through. And man, I got to clean my screen. I didn't notice how dirty it was when it's actually off. But essentially, with Microsoft time, it finally gets to 100%, and then you're able to get back into Windows. And then once we're in Windows, it actually says you're up to date now, which is great. And we can go ahead and click on the update history, and you'll notice that it now shows up in the list that it was just installed. So I hope this helped. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and share this with any of your friends or colleagues that might have the same problem.